Most people don't realize how much goes into professional window tinting. Here's exactly what happens when you bring your car to us. We pull up your exact year, make, and model in our system, and your window templates are already there, pre-mapped, pre-sized, ready to cut. Your film goes straight to the plotter. This machine cuts every piece to exact spec, every curve, every corner, every edge matched perfectly to your glass. The cut film moves to the peel board where we prep each piece, separating the liner cleanly so the film is ready to go on without wrinkles, folds, or contamination. Now it goes onto the glass. We lay the film and position it precisely. Every millimeter matters here. And because our templates are computer cut, it drops into place the way it's supposed to. We work out every air bubble and water pocket with various squeegees. Edge to edge, corner to corner. This is where experience matters. Rush this step and you get bubbles or creases. Before your car leaves, every window gets inspected. If we see anything, we fix it. That's it. Every car, every time. This is what a professional install looks like. Reach out and book yours today.